Took a lot of hardship just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, go to.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Arial'Monique, and I'm back today with another video. You guys are here today to see me install my Lashley seamless clip-in extensions from Amazon. Stay tuned to see how I achieve this look. Bye. Hey y'all, so I am back and I am here to install 2 packs of seamless clip-ins, 22 inches straight. Of course, it's straight hair always with me. But anyways, I got 2 packs of seamless clip-ins from Amazon from the brand Lashley, 100% Remy human hair extensions. This is the box that it came in. Cute little pink box, cute pink box. And then when I open the box, it comes, of course, with the clip-ins, of course. And then it comes with a user manual. And the girls on the back. So if you don't know, that'd be good for you to use. And then, of course, they love to send a pack of eyelashes. And then I also received a hair clip. And if you know, these come in handy every time. So that's all that comes in the box. And then here is the packaging for the clip-ins. And of course it has the ones that I have, seamless clip-ins, natural color, 22, 110 grams, and they're straight. So Lashley real human hair clip-in extensions. So we're just gonna take this off. Look at this. When I say these are full, these are full. I'm excited. Because y'all know I've been wearing clip-ins all year. Haven't had anything else besides clip-ins and wigs. So, and this is a nice long 22 inch. Like, look how long this is. Full all the way to the ends. I know that's right. I'm excited. So let's just go ahead and get started. Let's see how many pieces. I believe 7 pieces come in each pack. So here are 1, 2, and 3. You get 1 long piece, and I believe these second 2 are the same length. 3. Yeah, so we get 7 pieces. So 2 packs are required for a full head of clip-ins for sure. So I'm going to go ahead and open both packs. Okay, so since my hair is already straightened, I don't really have to put any heat on it until I get to the part where I want to flatten the top and blend everything in. But as far as the middle and the back, no extra heat if it's not required, ladies, okay? Healthy hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my wide tooth comb, and I am just going to go ahead and start parting across the back. Your parts do not have to be perfect. And I like to leave a little bit of hair out in the back just in case. I like to pull up in a ponytail, or, you know, just leave a little bit of hair out in the back. You don't want them too far down on the back of your head. And then you would like to go ahead and measure which piece you're going to use first. They do have that really long piece, but I never use that in the back because the back of your head is not that long. That one usually goes somewhere in the middle. So I do have the piece that I'm going to go ahead and use first. And remember, they're seamless. So super nice. And it comes with 3 clips on them, per usual. And I'm happy that they're natural black because my hair is not black. My hair has always given 1B. And I'm just going to take this and clamp them down. That middle one is a little too tight, so I'm going to go ahead and loosen that one up. Okay, here's the first piece. And so what you'll do is you're going to just keep going in and prodding across and literally just installing your clip-ins. And if you want to make sure that your clip-ins are nice and full, you don't need to put them so far apart away from each other. So I'm literally kind of putting them on top of each other because I want to make sure I use every piece because I want mine nice and full and fabulous. But if you're going for something more of like an updo ponytail or something, you won't need to put them that close together because you don't require as much hair. And now that I'm getting a little closer up, I think I can go ahead and install that longer piece. And that one comes with 4 clips on this one. Ready to be able to go end to end. Yep, so that fits perfect, like once I get like directly across here. So far so good. This is a long 22-inch. Here for it. And you're going to keep repeating those steps until you get a little bit closer to the top. So now that I'm here on the sides, y'all know I have a bob, so don't judge me. But of course you won't have a piece that's long enough to go all the way around, so that's when you'll have to start getting creative and you'll take like a long piece and then a shorter piece to go from end to end. So what I am going to do here is I am going to take that piece where it has 4, because you gotta be mindful where you put this because it won't fit everywhere, so of course you have to put it at a place like this. So I'm going to take this and go here on the side. And I don't want to put it all the way in the front. I like to leave a little bit of hair out on the front. Because I'm a girl that likes to pull her hair behind her ears. And it went pretty far. So the only piece I have left is right here. So what I'll do is I'll find a clip that's a little bit shorter. Like one of the clips that have 2. And see if that's going to fit from here to here. And it does. So I'm just going to pretty much overlap. And it's actually a little too long, so I don't want to put it that on my edges because my edges are a little thin. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to bring it up a little bit. And then I'll go start my next part going backwards, and I'm going to overlap it that way. I hope that makes sense. Boom. Okay. Okay, so I have put in all of my long clips. Only clips that I have left is the 4 single clips here. And this is pretty much just to fill in spaces and for my leave out pretty much. Well, it's all left out with the top of my hair. So I already have it parted because I'm doing the middle part, of course. So this is my first part here. And I'm literally just going to fill in as I was doing before. I wish they were a little longer, honestly. Like, I wish these 2 were like 1 clip. Like, this would be perfect because my leave out is a little bit damaged. So I need a little bit more security up there. This side of my hair is okay, but this side is a little bad. So that's probably where I'm going to put a majority of those clips. I'm probably only going to put 1 over here, just so it won't look crazy when I am flat ironing and styling it. So my hair is a little bit longer over there. And this side is where it gets a little tricky. Okay, so that's my part for the middle. My parts are never straight, so I'll adjust that in a bit. I only have one left. I really need one more. Ah, this is scary. Okay, so. Okay, that one's gonna have to go there. Yeah. See what I mean? How my middle part is a little, not a little, it's a lot of broke off. So I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron this, and I'll be back and figure out this whole leave out situation. Y'all, I'm back and I flat ironed my leave out. As you can see, it's laying. I told y'all I'm behind the ear kind of girl, so I went ahead and did that as well. But the results are, just know, y'all, lashy. Hope I'm saying that right. Y'all did that. This 100% human hair Remy extensions. I just have to call my niece, and my niece said, "Oh, those eat, TT. Those eat." Because look how full these are. Like, they're giving. I'm gonna have to stand up and let y'all see the material. Like, they are eating, okay? I'm excited. And they lay so flat. Like, you don't feel anything. I guess that's the whole point of them being seamless. But yeah. And this is a 22 inch, and these are long. Look how long this is. This is at the top of my butt. This is a long 22. This is giving like 24 inches. But yeah, I love it. If I had to rate this on a scale of like 1 to 10, I am going to give them a 9. And the only reason I'm giving them a 9 is because the small clips in the top, like those little 4 pieces, I just wish they were a little bit longer so I can place them like 1 clip here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not 1, 2, 3, 4. I kind of like scattered them because of my leave out issues. But other than that, how full they are, the fact that they're seamless, how long they are, and it's a 22, they're soft. Yeah, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated because y'all know I like to style my clip ends, and I do those videos with y'all as well. So I will be styling these clip ins with y'all as well. So other than that, I have no complaints. The packaging is cute. Come with a little hair clip that I be needing as I'm doing my makeup. So I'm sold. So I'll leave the link in the description box below and let me know what y'all think of the clip-ins and the style, and tell me what it's giving. Tell the girls what it's giving. But yeah, I'll go ahead and link that in my description box, and I'll put it in my Amazon storefront as well. So thank y'all for watching this video. Let me know what y'all think, and make sure y'all thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.